Hey, I'm Heidi Weeda. I'm a kitchen designer with J&RS Finish. Today we're visiting a recently finished bathroom remodel here in the lakeside neighborhood of Duluth. So we are just going to take you through real quick, show you some of the features we have in this bathroom. So let's get started. Going into the bathroom, instead of a pocket door or a traditional door setup, we put in a barn door, and it's a solid wood 5-panel door, which gives it some depth but also looks very modern. Let's take a look at the rest of the bathroom. So walking into the bathroom, the main feature is this nice wall-to-wall vanity. It is a natural walnut. I love it because people often associate darker wood with more traditional cabinetry, but in this case, with the flat slab door and this minimalist design, it looks just striking. We have a nice white countertop made by Cambria quartz and a really soothing dark gray porcelain tile set in a brick pattern on the floor. On this back wall, we have a feature of this oversized hexagon tile, which traditionally you see in a much smaller scale on floors. But with modern design, we've blown it up and put it on our walls, and I think it adds a really nice textural feature without being too busy and without adding a lot of chaos to the space. One of the favorite features of this new bathroom of the client is this long, skinny window you see above us. Before, this bathroom did not have any windows in it, so it was very dark, and they just relied on their light fixtures. So they decided to go with a long clerestory window that is set above their heads, so no one can see in, but you can see that there is a ton of light that comes into this room. And over in this corner, we have a shower, and we were able to get a nice, big, spacious shower, still while leaving plenty of space for the vanity. Looking in the shower, I want to point out that we have this nice built-in niche for soap, shampoo, anything else they use in the shower. So it becomes a design feature in the shower instead of throwing your things in a corner as an afterthought. So in the remaining corner of this bathroom, we have the toilet area, and you'll notice that we do have a partition wall here, so it separates it from the rest of the bathroom. That way it's not out in the middle of the bathroom. You have some privacy, and also you don't need to be looking at a toilet if you're using the vanity. Thank you so much for joining us on this little tour today. If you want to learn more about us and what we do, check out jrsduluth.com. Thanks for being here today.